Hello, guys. How's it going today? Welcome. Is everyone here and can everyone hear me? My name is Thomas, guys. Once again, nothing changed since yesterday, and I'm happy to see you all in our weekly trading session. So actually, we do now 3 streams per week on Olymp Trade YouTube global channel. Also, we have streams. We do streams at our local channels like Olymp Trade India, Olymp Trade Latam, Olymp Trade Vietnam. What else? Olymp Trade Arabic. So we broadcast in 5, 6 different languages. So I invite all of you to join those trading sessions as well in your native languages, if English is not your native language, or if you just I don't know for any reason you just wanna attend that session in a different language. So guys, any questions are welcome. So can yeah, the sound is there. So waiting. Olymp Trade 5 seconds delay on FTT. I don't know. Check your internet connection and reload the platform. So usually that helps. And also that applies to our YouTube stream as well. So if you have some delay in the connection in the stream, so you can also refresh the page, reload the page, and then things should get better. Now, guys, if you don't have any questions, I think I would rather jump straight into trading. And today's topic is this beautiful strategy which is called diving. So diving strategy is one of my favorite ones. Probably my top. It's probably on the 5th or 6th place, not on the first one. Like I said, I love Jektar, which is my probably number one, my all-time favorite strategy called, like I said, Jektar. So guys, if you have any questions about Jektar, or maybe you can share your rating, your top of our trading strategies, that would also be great. So sharing your view on trading on the market is, well, just basically it helps everyone because we are all in the same boat here, trying to learn, trying to figure out how to work, how to make profit, make money, and to turn trading into our for some people it can be a hobby, and for some people this can become the main source of income. Now, so Kamesh says this system is only loss. Wow. Okay, let's see. I'm doing everything live, and once I start trading, you can see whether I make profits or so it's a profit or loss system for me. So we will see that. Because the AG composite opened instantly, but Euro USD 5 seconds late. That is a little strange as us. So please contact customer support. They might be able to help you with that. Or you can share your account number in the chat. I will see it, and I will pass it on to them, and they might be able to help you. So what is happening today? So Bitcoin is growing. Bitcoin is on the rise. Okay, Bitcoin go up. I want to become a billionaire. Would you help me with that? Now maybe I'm a little bit too late. I'm 5, 6 years late with big Bitcoin investments. But anyways, so guys, let's open our technical analysis tab. Click here, trading instruments. And then we need to scroll down a little bit, and we need to find the strategy called diving. So diving is available for advanced clients, so advanced status and above, so advanced and experts. And you can also make this strategy available for you by well, by just, oh my god, what happened to it? Okay, reset. Want to reset? No. No, diving. So disable and now enable it back. All right, now it's enabled. Okay. So here is this strategy. So how does this strategy work? Okay, what I was trying to do, I was trying to change the color. I want something brighter. This one maybe. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, which color do you prefer, guys? I don't know. Okay, let it be this color. I hope. Yeah, I think it's all visible now, right? So hey, hope you are doing well. Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you. Thank you for caring. So guys, let's start trading. So we have what is the primary signal with this strategy? Okay, let me go ahead and find something. Yes, Europe Composite Index. Let us begin with this asset. So basically in this strategy, we have 3 layers of confirmation. Layer of confirmation number 1 is the easiest one. It is the 20 SMA. So whenever the price is under the 20 SMA, that is a down signal, and whenever the price is above the 20 SMA, that is up signal. Very, very simple. Up signal, down signal. Okay. So that is layer of confirmation number 1. Layer of confirmation number 2 is when you well, basically so we have 2 rate of change indicators. So rate of change with a period of 14 and with a period of 7. So 7 and 14, the 7 ROC and the 14 ROC. So they both have to be looking in the same direction. So like in a few other trading strategies, we have this kind of like middle line, like with the RSI indicator, with the MACD indicator, and many others like the CCI. And so right now is the signal. Okay, so what 3 layers of confirmation do we have here? So layer of confirmation number 1, the price is currently under the 20 SMA. Layer of confirmation number 2, the price, the value of the 14 ROC is also under the 0 level, and last but not least is the 7 ROC, which is also under the 0 line, under the middle line. And basically two of these signals combined, 3 of these signals combined, result in my down trade. Okay, so trade in the downwards direction. Okay. All right. I have a question from a trader named Chena. Can support send me a local Nigerian bank account where I can make deposit and send proof of payment using my debit card? Do not help. Well, unfortunately, I don't even think we have this kind of like an account available for wire transfers. Probably one thing that can help is having using some USDT accounts, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT. These methods of replenishment, these crypto methods of replenishment of your accounts, of replenishing your accounts, are available. So you can do that through them. Okay, so that might help. Other than that, I don't even think I will be able to help you with like local bank account. Now, guys, going back to trading. So my next trade comes here on Asia Composite Index. So on Asia Composite Index, we have this basically, once again, 3 layers of confirmation. Layer of confirmation number 1, the price is above the 20 SMA. So that is our borderline here. Next, we have the 14 RC above the middle line, and the last confirmation, the third layer of confirmation comes from the 7 ROC, and it's also above the middle line. So does anyone have any questions? I wonder, because I mean, this strategy is a trending strategy, and okay, nice. Europe Composite Index closes with a profit. And I have two more trades here. Okay. So let's continue. Let's continue searching for new assets. So trading never stops. Okay, so I should have probably opened the trade before here on gold. Okay, so gold is pushing north. Now I'm a little bit afraid that we might kind of like get into this overbought area, and there might be a price reversal. Okay, so I will be a little bit cautious, a little bit more cautious with with that trade, and will not open many trades. Okay, now let's see how this one closes. 15 seconds to go on Asia Composite Index. Okay, so how did it close? Okay, so flat market protection. It closed with a almost, yeah. Okay, almost no difference between opening price and closing price. Now, let's try and open another trade here, because I think the condition is there. All right. And Europe Composite Index. All right. So why don't we open another trade in the downwards direction? So the three layers of confirmation are still there. The signal is there. So why not try? All right. More trades closing the profit. Now, 5-minute trade closes with a pretty good difference in the favorite in my direction. All right. Okay. So Europe Composite Index, right? Two trades, and the trade on gold will be closing soon. Okay, guys, this is what I've been talking about, that we might have this kind of like pullback situation, because the price has gone up quite a lot, quite significantly, and now I think we might have a price reversal. So let's be okay. So let's be a little bit cautious about that. So this is why I don't want to open another trade here, because anything can happen. Okay, and we have a price reversal on Asia Composite Index. Now, this is a fresh new signal, so we can go ahead and open a trade in the downwards direction now, because the situation has changed. So before that, we we would have an up signal here, and I basically opened a few trades here, and some of them closed with a profit, and two last trades here are will be closing with a loss, I think, unfortunately, but that's part of trading. So the price just couldn't break above this resistance level. So there was a pretty strong resistance level here, and the price just couldn't trespass that level. Now, Europe Composite Index, wow, should be closing with a profit. Everything is okay there. Wow, look at this beauty. Wow, this is Arabian General Index. Let's just give it a try. It just looks very beautiful. That's probably the the most beautiful chart I've ever seen. I know, not ever, but it's like, look at this angle. That's perfect 45-degree angle pointing in the upwards direction. So that is a completely perfect situation, guys. Wow, this is just beautiful. Okay, what else can we trade? Yeah, Brazil index. Let us open a trade here. Let's have a thorough look at this chart. So the 20 SMA is here, and we are trading well above the 20 SMA. That is first confirmation. The second confirmation comes from the 14-hour C, which is also above the middle line, and that is once again a bullish signal, so up signal. And the third layer of confirmation is the 7-hour C, and it also suggests that we can open up trade here. And so since a few recent webinars, I've started doing this thing when where I open a few signals, a few trades. Yesterday's two trades made loss. Well, that is Forex. So last week I had a lot of profit from Forex trades, and so this week so far two trades closed with a loss. But that is what I keep telling you about Forex. One profitable trade on Forex usually covers up your losses from 3 or 4 losing trades. So that is a totally different mechanics, where you don't even need to have, say, well, I mean, like, of course, the more profitable trades you do on Forex, the better it is, because you just, well, eventually the more profit you make. But you are not required, like, to have, say, 80% winning trades or even 60% winning trades. All you need to do is you need to have, like, say, 30% winning trades, but with the proper winning rate, proper stop loss to take profit ratio. I will not trade on Nasdaq. Well, I don't know. Where is our Christmas rally? Maybe not this year. Like, see, what we do when we trade, um, we are trying to see those patterns that keep repeating themselves. So yes, unfortunately, yesterday there was a drop. So maybe now it will reverse, and we will still see this Christmas rally. But unfortunately, there are no guarantees. No one can tell you for sure that we're going to have this, so that the history will repeat itself every year. The history does repeat itself with a certain probability. Like, maybe there is a 30% chance, sometimes it's a 60% chance. It depends on patterns. That is why during our webinars we try to demonstrate to you different methodologies, different strategies, so that you can pick something that will suit you, your personal your say your personal way of thinking and trading. You find you can find some patterns that work for you. So can you place trades by amount? When the amount is triggered, it will place the up down trade for any time interval. Yeah, we can do that. Like I usually do this when I trade following some. Okay, let's just open a few more trades here on Asia Composite Index. I think the signal is still there because see, uh, before that we were going up and now I think we are about to start descending here. So we have a kind of like trend reversal, trend change, and I think this can happen. This can happen right now. So we are about to see that happening. What about the euro against the US dollar? All right, so we have a very interesting situation here. Three layers of confirmation. Let's have a look at the 20 SMA. So we are still, so the price is still trading above the 20 SMA, but then let's have a look at the 14 ROC. So the 14 ROC is above the middle line and the 7 ROC is under the middle line. So that basically gives us two signals in the upwards direction and one signal in the downside, in the downwards direction. So in this case, these signals are in contradiction with one another. So in this case, you don't want to open a trade. So why in this strategy we have three layers of confirmation? Because they have to be looking in the same, they have to be pointing in the same direction. When they start pointing in different directions, well, basically we have just two directions, like one up, one down. So in this case, you wanna, like ideally you wanna skip that trade and you don't really wanna, you don't wanna be chasing all trades, all charts. You only need to find those where where the probability, the chance is on your side. Like so, let's see where we started. I think we started. So Europe Composite Index. Okay, so at least we are closing with a not without a loss. At least. Thank you. Thank you, market. Okay, now this one, Asia Composite Index. Okay. I don't know. I think of opening a trade on gold. Yes, let's open two trades on gold. I think because once again we might have this after this big red candlestick. So this that basically changed. That has changed the direction of it. That changed the direction. So and now we have one, two. 1, 2, so two candlesticks closed under the 20 SMA. So we can already use this signal. Okay. Okay. What's your desktop wallpaper? What's the joke? What does it mean? I don't know. I think I don't even have a wallpaper here on my desktop. Okay, guys. Now, Europe Composite Index. Let's open another trade. By the way, what do you prefer, opening up trades or down trades? Why are you not using the risk-free trades you have a lot of in the abundance? Well, basically, I do use them from time to time, but the thing is that I don't really need them because eventually, so these risk-free trades, they can, it's like a cherry on top of a cake. Like if you know how to trade, you don't really need those risk-free trades. It's just a little bit of extra cash that you can make without any like fear of loss, without any like without even having to have to worry about those trades. But if you have a strategy, if you have a well-developed trading strategy, and you know how to trade, and your trading psychology and market psychology are like you know how to trade, like generally speaking, you don't really need, you don't even think about those risk-free trades because, well, they won't make a huge difference. Like, because if you know how to trade, you can go without these risk-free trades. But if you don't know how to trade, if you don't have a well-developed trading strategy, those risk-free trades are not going to help. Yes, they will help you a little bit to make a few extra dollars, but it's not going to be a game changer. It's just a little help, yes, nice, some nice help, but nothing really. Like it won't change your like the outcome of your trading, like in general. Yes, like I said, they might. Well, I mean, like I should. How do I have so many $1? I have so many trades in the amount of $1. How do I get rid of them? I don't know. Okay, I have. Okay, so these ones you can calculate. $20 multiplied by 277. Let's see. That is worth $5,500. So I can get almost like say $2,000-3,000 without even like guaranteed. Okay, so let's just enable one. Okay, since you asked for it, since you mentioned it, yeah, let's just do it. And let's do another one. I should be using them. Yes, you're right. Why leaving this extra cash sitting in my account? I'd rather take this as real money with real profits. Okay, guys, one more trade. So I started doing active trading here, so doing active trades. So now Mahajantar index turn. Up signal, 3 layers of confirmation are there, and yeah, everything is there. So I open a trade up. Yesterday we made Forex trades in a hurry. It's better to make sure that the market is trend, so take your time and give Forex signals. Well, I think those signals were still pretty legit. I didn't do that in a hurry actually, to be honest. And because I mean, look, let's go over these trades again. So we opened this trade here somewhere around this price. So like I said, we went down here in price, the price dropped. Then we had a wave number 1, now then correction wave number 2, and yeah, I showed you this strategic petroleum reserve, so I'm pretty sure that the price will go up here, that Brent will go up. That's almost guaranteed. Now S&P 500, yes, S&P 500 and Nasdaq, I was expecting a rise. I was expecting a this New Year's rally, so Christmas rally once again. Now it hasn't played, so this card hasn't played out yet, but I think the chances are it will still happen. So I don't change I'm not changing my mind. Those trades were okay. I mean, probably not the best ones that I ever made during my trading career, but still those trades were pretty good. I mean, there was logic behind it. There was explanation behind those trades. Like it wasn't just some random trades. Okay, guys. Now someone asked me about to open a few pending orders, right? So let's use this pending order on Asia Composite Index. So we have this price 6,023.31, 23.31. Continue. All right. So here is my pending order. What about my Euro USD trade? Okay, so it's kind of dropping, but not dropping as fast as I wish it was. Okay, so at least that was risk-free trade. Okay, so when another problem with risk-free trades is that when you have too many, when you just trade with risk-free, using risk-free trades, you become a little bit careless in terms of your in terms of your risks. So I'm like, yeah, okay, I can risk $20, but then that spills over to your other trades, because then you're like, okay, So it's all about being in shape. So staying trading fit, I would say. Wow, it's just beautiful. Asia or Arabian General Index. It's just beautiful. Wow. So caffeine index. Okay, let me go ahead and open and place one more trade here because I think the signal is still there. 3 layers of confirmation. My first trade closes with a profit, so yes, why not? Okay, I got to deposit some amount in Olymp Trade. Do you have any coupons to get any extra bonus money? Oh, well, unfortunately, I do not. We should have some. I know that there are some promo codes in our Facebook groups from time to time, and also in your traders way here. Like you have a promo code you can use. So definitely it is there. I think almost at any given moment of time you can get a risk-free trade or some promo code. But yeah, I just don't have any one of them just right now. Okay, so let's place another pending order here. 77. Continue. Okay, so Munch index. That's another breakdown. So the price broke under the 20 SMA, and now we are in the bears zone, in the bears area where bears control the situation. So, and 3 layers of confirmation, and we open a trade in the downwards direction, and even 2 trades. 2 trades is fine. Why not? Okay, and so Kahwa index. Okay, let's even open 20 2 minutes. So multiple trades are fine. So as long as you control your risks, you can open multiple trades, and like in general, just be flexible. Guys, I would like to remind you one thing that so this week is a Christmas week, and on Friday we are going to have slow markets definitely. We do have OTC assets on the weekend, I'm pretty sure, and also the indexes they work 24/7. So you will still have some assets to trade and some assets to choose from. But if you like trading currency pairs, well, be cautious. Just be aware of the fact that we are not going to have as much volatility as normally. So Friday and maybe Thursday, I'm not sure about Thursday, you never know, but Friday will be a slow day. That's almost guaranteed, almost certain. Those codes just take a certain percent of your deposit and turn into bonus. I want extra bonus cash, for example. If I add yeah, but yeah, so when you make a deposit, you get some bonuses as well, if I understand you right. So if you add $100 and you get yes, you get 10 or 30% extra in bonuses, which in turn can be used for trading or increasing your investment amounts. What is the reason for not showing some assets in my Olymp Trade, assets like Afina Index, Arabian General? Yes, some of these indices are the so-called geo-oriented and are only available in certain countries. Like we have Munch Index, Mahajantar Index, and there is one more index which are only available for India. So LATAM indexes are Brazil Index, Cafina Index, and LATAM Index. And Arabic indexes are Oasis, Arabian General Index, and Oasis and Cafina Index, or Kahwa Index. All right. So guys, I think we are slowly but steadily nearing the end of today's webinar. So yeah, this Kahwa index, which I just mentioned. Okay, let's see how this trade closes. Wow, tricky situation here. So went up, now descending, and okay, so this first trade will be closing with a profit. I hope, yes, closes with a profit. Okay, guys, one thing I can tell you for sure is that recently trending trading strategies have been showing very good results. So maybe it's just this phase of the market when trending trading strategies show pretty good results. Now I'm almost, I want to calculate the overall result of my today's webinar. So we have, okay, so just 10 seconds to go, 30 seconds to go, and we will see the final seconds of my today's trade for this webinar. Maybe I will continue trading in the evening. Munch. Okay, so this one is okay, guys. So FMP, flat market protection mode, beautiful mode, which basically saves you a lot of money. Sometimes, of course, it doesn't let you win because, like for example, if you have a like this one, so when the market is a little bit flat, then even this one pip difference is in your favor, but still this trade closes without a profit. Okay, so I will not include in my calculation these trades that closed with flat market protection. Wow, still my overall result during this webinar is plus $126, not too bad. And let's calculate the ratio. Let's get the ratio, winning ratio. So losing trades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 losing trades, and let's calculate my winners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow, I didn't even notice how I just basically did 17 profitable trades. Wow. So that's 17 profitable trades out of 25. I exclude those trades that close with a refund. So OTC trading is that mode of trading that is available during the weekends when some trading still happens, but directly through market makers and liquidity providers. And we get those quotes, we transmit them to our platform, and you can still make trades on the weekend. Now, guys, 17 winning trades out of 25 gives me the rate of profit of 68%. That is a beautiful result. I want to congratulate myself with this result, and also I would like to congratulate you. So if you liked this trading strategy, guys, feel free to press that like button to say something good, some positive about this trading strategy. And all in all, I wish you all good luck in trading. You can watch this webinar. It will stay here in the recordings on YouTube. So the next webinar will take place on Thursday. So yeah, have wonderful profits like me. Enjoy trading, love trading. So you gotta love what you do. And I will see you next time. So Thomas signing out.